home of the elder people. We are in the square of the Constitución number 1. Here is the residency for elder people in Zapobla. Zapobla has been one of the first places in Illes Balears to offer the home of the elderly people. In 1973, the town hall of Zapobla, with the owner of the area of Zona Mandlé, Francisco Torrecerro, with a price of 4 million pesetes, about 6,640,000 euros, and 4 years and 3 months of reforms, the home was inaugurated in 28th of January in 1978, with his first director, Anita Nasser Crespi. Before, it was the office of the Metge du Ward, where the doctor was Miquel Serra Siquier, and after his death, the doctor was Guillermo Llombart. The building has got 130,080 square meters. Today, there are 26 bedrooms distributed in 3 plants, with a capacity of 47 places. There is an office zone, a dining room, some common zones, multifunctions room, kitchen, laundry room, and nursing facilities. Today, the director is Apollonia Maria Vinimelis. There are 43 employees, and this year, the 40th birthday of her inauguration is celebrated.